If you want to get a free credit report from TransUnion, here's what you need to know. You can use TransUnion's free online membership called Credit Essentials to access your credit report and score at no cost. Alternatively, you can also take advantage of your right to receive one free weekly credit report from each of the 3 nationwide credit bureaus. One of the most popular ways to do that is by visiting annualcreditreport.com. So just now open your browser and head over to annualcreditreport.com. After that, open up the site, and once you're there, simply follow the on-screen steps to request a free report. You will be able to choose TransUnion, Equifax, or Experian, or even all 3. You can also create a free TransUnion account using their Credit Essentials plan. If you don't already have a TransUnion Service Center account, you can sign up for one right from their website. This gives you daily access to your TransUnion credit report, your credit score, and helpful credit monitoring tools, all for free. And that's all for today's video. I hope this helped you get your free credit report without any hassle.